Hello everyone, welcome back to indiancoding.com. Today we are going to study about Python scope. So let's see what is it. A variable is only available from inside the region it is created. So this is called scope. So a variable that is inside the loop that you have created or the function, then it is called as a scope. So there are two types of scope available. The first one we are going to see is the local scope. A variable created inside a function belongs to the local scope of the function and can only be used inside that function. So the variable that will be created inside a function, okay? So inside the function, you will be able to write the value of the variable inside a function only that you have created. You will not be able to write that value outside the function. Okay? So that value is called local variable and local scope. So here I have used one example. So let me run this one example for you. I'm going to write the function here. Okay. So I have created one function that is my function and I'm going to mention that variable inside a function. Okay. Now I will print this variable. So I will be able to get the variable here. Okay. So let me run this program, then we will see are we going to get this variable or not. So this is one of the way how you can create it. Okay. So the second one is the form is now on screen you can see that the process existed and return code. So let me change the code. My function. Okay, I missed the writing this. Now you can run. Yeah, now we got the value of this. So we have to call that function, then only we will be able to get. So at last you have to call that function, then only you will get it. So now you got the value of x. Okay. So that's how you can create it. After that, I will write print of x. Okay. And then then I am going to give all the details here. Okay. So let me run it. Now we are not going to, because we are not calling that function. We have to call the function, then only we will be able to understand how to do that. Okay. So that is the error you are going to get if you're not calling the function or the function is not ended, because we have to write it inside the function only. If you are writing outside the function, then let's see what we will get. Yeah. So it is taking little to time, and then we'll see. Yeah. So for, now on screen, you can see that these are the some unresponsive page because there is one error is already available. So let me let me make some changes, then we will see. Print y. Here I have mentioned the y equal to 200 outside the function. Okay. So now on screen, you can see that the problem is containing the server error. Okay, why is it happening? Because some problem is happening over there, some internet issue is happening. So once we'll run this page here, then we will be able to see how can we do that. So let me write my function off. Okay. So now I have called the function. In that case, let me run it again. Now on screen, you can see that I have closed the function. That is why I am getting, because I called the function print y inside the function. Then only we are getting that. If we are not going to mention or end the function, so that is not within the function, though that will not get the value like this. So that is all about the today's class. Tomorrow we'll study about more features related to Python. Thank you so much.